Lindsey, I can't believe we're finally here. Experiencing all my hard work of picking out the bridesmaids' dresses, the flowers, and your beautiful dress.
All handpicked.
All handpicked. In all seriousness, Lindsey, I've watched you work so hard at putting this special day together, and I'm so grateful. I look forward to growing old with you. Lindsey, I love you very much.
I got you, honey, and you got me. I got all I could ever need. It's like you walked out of my wildest dreams. Yeah, I got you, honey, and you got me.
I've always wanted a man to love sports as much as my dad does. Maybe not the Seahawks, but they'll do. Justin, you are more than I could have ever dreamed of or prayed for. You are the calm in my storm. You make me laugh harder than anyone I know. I can't wait to spend forever with you and live life with you. I can't wait for all of the adventures that are to come. I'm so lucky to call you my best friend, the love of my life.
I got you, honey, and you got me. I got all I could ever need. I swear you walked out of my wildest dreams. Yeah, I got you, honey, and you got me. Honey, you got me. I got all I could ever need. It's like you walked out of my wildest dreams. Yeah, I got you, honey, and you got me.